Ndegetang'ani igongo tembia mono ase William Ruto ase ogotoma chibese chinyinge sana echichire bango yaito etari gotumeka buya agatumira abantu baite bo banyare kobagerwa ase bocha go attend function ya Ringi Stadium. Egento kende ndanyare goteba omoyoboria negente kia Ringi segencho ntwaroche mugavana nazindwete chimashini chiokoros chipara chimashini chiokoros county yaito geto goteba mbia mono lakini tutete korora rinde binte bigo kolegasi gento gia kabere we hope ntonyare ko create job opportunities asaba abasaibe constituency ibe county yaito asengencho ekenenkeli na 27 children to kolegasi na governor nyore ngerere na contractors baito bagusimba konyaragasi and the best thing to do no kore biragita elinde chipara chinyare korosiwa. That is a good inegasi ingia in the right direction lakini how I wish tonyare kukwanera tonyare kwa contractors baito opportunity elinde bakoregasi naende oguonchoreria gwechibese chiribagwa kanwa chinyare gutigara within our county. You realize Kisii County was among the top 5 cities in Kenya between the year 2013 and 2022. Lakini asengencho ya mangananta nyare kukwanera boniga Kisii County ya iranire maega kidogo in terms of the economy. Asengencho bese cheito nchiri go circulate within our county chibese cheito boniga chigosoka isiko gosena ende sometimes nchiri gutumeka elinde chinyare gokonya abantu baito within the county. So what happened in the stadium yesterday was a good show. That ebintu byagotu byokoros chipara rakindende togo saba chinya ebinte binyare gokoregasi chipara cheito chirabe. That is one. Number 2, no ene contractor cheito chia within the county nchinyara kuebwa sengenche binte byagulirwe nabo chi contractor chigo haya no ene binte bikurwe county chinyare gokora chi contract echi elinde chibese chinyare gwonchokana within gose gwonchore kunyare koba within the county.